Okay, guys, so I've got a really variety packs. I'm going to see if I can try to... I did this yesterday, but I didn't record. And I actually got so it's only 21. But I actually got from this achievement pack a 95. Oh, I think we got it. Wait, no, we didn't. Never mind. Okay, I think this is a normal first win pack. Gives you an 80 plus. Man, if I don't pull anything good out of this, I'm going to be upset. I think they juice the odds for the Blitz. Everyone should play the Blitz. Make sure you guys subscribe. If I get to 50 subs, I'm doing the 15 mil shopping spree, which is going to be crazy. Which is why I need you all to sub. Okay. Okay. So now we've got the first win packs. And the normal win packs. We need 3 cards or 2 cards. Oh wait, no, this is the normal win pack. For the Blitz. Man, we got nothing. Well, anyone who's participating in the tournament, I need you guys to comment your overall, because we're doing that for seeding. And Keon Pepper, I need you to comment everyone who you invited there overall so we can get the seeding done. Thanks for the co-host. And thank you, Sunbun God, for assembling the bracket. He is working on it right now.